Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix you have too many friends on Snapchat. So if you're currently facing that exact error, well, I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix it. Well, what you're going to do firstly is to just open up your Snapchat app, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now you're going to click on your profile in the top left corner. So click on your profile and it should now take you to this page, which is perfect. So now on this page, just scroll down a little bit and then you're going to click on my friends. So in here, you will actually be able to see all of your friends that you currently have on Snapchat. So if you're getting the error that you have too many friends on Snapchat, the only way that you can actually fix it is to just remove one or two friends and then you can add one or two more. Basically, that is exactly how you can fix it. So I'm just going to click on this first friend right here as an example. So just click and hold, and then click on manage friendship, and then click on remove friend, then click on remove. And now you can actually add one more basically, because that is exactly how it works. If you have too many friends, you need to delete at least one and then you can add one more. And that is basically exactly how to do this.